everybody, Pete, Iron City Garage. We did a quick yard flip here today. What I did was I put in a line everything that's currently on eBay, no reserve. So start this line off, got 56 Ford cab over, solid Western truck, good title on it. My 62 GMC two-door Suburban, great patina, solid truck, good title on it. Got 72 Ford F100 XLT, rough truck, needs a cab. It'll end up doing cheap money. I think it's at like $1,000 on eBay, no reserve, has a title, solid frame. The Got Wood truck, the 51 Ford F1 that I was keeping for myself, decided to let it rip. It's on eBay, no reserve. I think it's doing about $1,600 right now. 59 3200 here, half-ton long bed truck, no title on it, but it runs and drives. It's got a factory visor. 29 Model A, super solid car, probably the most solid original you're ever going to find. Got a great YouTube video on this one coming out of the barn. Really special car, good title on it, no reserve. 57 Chevy 3200, runs and drives, think it has brakes, good title on it, everything's no reserve. So you're bidding to win. Everything's doing really well on eBay, but everything's ending within the next 2 days. So make sure you hit our link tree in our bio. It's just a link that shows you all of our links to everything else. Look for the eBay in there. Also, our story has direct links, or just Iron City Garage is our name on eBay. So check it out, get your bids in, and call me if you have any questions. Hey, thanks for watching our video. We really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have cars like these in your garage, if you have a fastback Mustang or convertible Impala, a nice original paint pickup truck or an old cab over truck, and you want to sell it, I'd love to try and put a deal together with you. You can get a hold of me at 412-335-6100. We pay excellent prices. We pay finder's fees. You know, it's no secret. We do make a little money on the YouTube videos, so that allows me to pay, you know, sometimes market value or really good prices for these cars. We'd love to come out and drag it out of your barn. We'd love to film it. We'd love for you to be a part of that whole process. So if you have an original paint or an original old fastback Mustang that needs work, like these ones I have on my trailer, or if you have an old pickup, or again, a convertible Impala, cab over truck, whether it doesn't matter where you are, we buy nationwide here in the United States, all the way as far as California. I've had stuff, New Mexico, Arizona, Oregon, Washington, high desert stuff we love. So, or if you're in the East Coast and it's a rusty Mustang or a rusty convertible Impala, that is fine. We typically don't buy many trucks on the East Coast, but I buy a lot of cars on the East Coast. If you have cab over parts also, especially for these early Fords, I'd be interested in that. It never hurts to send me an email or a text. IronCityGarage@gmail.com. You're welcome to send me an email or a text message, probably the best. You kind of get an instant answer that way. 412-335-6100. I'd love to talk to you. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully we can make a deal on what you guys have on your farms or in your garages.